I'm a February baby and it's my birthday weekend. I'm not supposed to be out on the streets filming any of this, but I've arrived way too early for my birthday treat, which is a stay in the St Pancras Renaissance Hotel. While I thought I'd do one of my walks to pass the time, you've most likely not clicked on this YouTube thumbnail to see a walk. So I've consigned the whole walk to Patreon, where you can enjoy every street, and if you're interested in that, click the QR code. Here on YouTube, I'll just show the streets that I walked down to get from Euston Square Station over to St Pancras, and I won't waste your time further. Just to add that when I was a lad, this was a really gritty building. It was just covered in soot until they cleaned it up, and now it looks brilliant and gleaming. The hotel was originally opened in 1873 as the Midland Grand Hotel. It was designed as part of St Pancras Station by George Gilbert Scott. But as demand for trains dropped off, the hotel closed in 1935 and it was turned into offices. As time wore on, it fell into disuse, but in 2011 the hotel reopened to the public. The St Pancras Renaissance Hotel boasts remarkable Gothic Revival architecture, meticulously restored to its former glory during the 2011 renovations. You know, I actually used this as a booking office when it was a booking office. All changed now though. Ooh, cakes. Are they for me?
Step away from the cakes. No cakes before dinner.
Is that champagne for me?
Absolutely not. One glass of that and you'll be fast asleep.
Well, the bed looks quite comfy. Yes, big enough, I guess.
Looks fine.
Not so sure about the bathroom. It's a bit pokey. There's no bath or anything.
Yeah, I must admit I do like a bath in a hotel, and this room doesn't have one, which is a bit of a pity because actually it's quite a nice room.
Yeah, shame about the bath, never mind. But yeah, this will do for the night.
Absolutely.
Cheers!
Happy birthday. Are we going in the right direction?
I can't even remember our room number.
Is this the right floor?
I'll do it from the back. Just hold the gimbal and I'll...
What do you mean do it from the back?
I'm going to walk that
So
way.
take the back of it. Is this filming?
Yeah. Please, I think it is. Is there a square blob?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're staying with us, right?
Yes, we did.
Just to let you know, today is Saturday, so the hotel is offering a historical hotel tour.
Oh really?
If
What
you are
time?
interested, please just come to
What
see
time?
us at 10:30 a.m., at
Oh, right.
noon, at 2 p.m. and 3:30
Oh,
in the
wow.
afternoon.
Oh, I think.
How long do the sessions
It will
last?
take around 1 hour.
Oh,
Okay, thank you.
I thank you.
That's very interesting.
Right.
Thank you very much.
Well, that'd have been a shame to miss.
10:30 till 11:30.
I can't. I haven't got the time.
I know we don't.
Even if we had the
I know.
time.
I know.
I think we need to get a shot of you coming down these stairs. Do you want to sort of come down as if you own the place?